Hi guys, good morning. Just a little morning routine today. I love that, love that. I'm gonna go brush my teeth, put my contacts in. Yeah, that's really all I need to do. It is 7:16 in the morning and I am unemployed. Don't need to be awake right now, but I am. You wanna know why? Because of him. This is why I am awake. For no reason at 7 a.m. But we're gonna keep getting ready. Hey, good morning. What you making there?
Yogurt.
Yogurt. Make some coffee.
Good. Whoa. Bye.
Bye. It is now 8:30 and Steven's leaving me for the day to be bored, doing nothing.
Bye.
Bye. Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed that little morning routine. Yeah, so I just wanted to hop in here and just chat with you guys real quick. So yes, I am unemployed right now. I lost my job last week due to everything going on in the world, COVID, you know, it's just, yeah, it sucks. But I wanted to, I don't know, like, I see this as an opportunity for me to really go all in with my content in like my YouTube videos, especially because I feel like I have just been neglecting YouTube and my channel and just feeling very hopeless on, like, if I'm speaking very honestly right now. So I see all this new time on my hands as an opportunity to get back into my content, get passionate about my content again too. I feel like there hasn't been a lot of passion there in like so long. But yeah, so I'm really excited about that. I also wanted to make this video just to kind of show anyone else who is also unemployed that, you know, you're not alone. I'm right here with you. And the importance of like keeping a morning routine. You know, Scout wakes us up literally at 5:30, 6 o'clock every single morning. And I usually do try to sleep like another hour until like 7 o'clock or so, because that is when I used to always wake up for work. And so when I lost my job and everything, I was like, oh cool, I'll just sleep in like next week, you know, I'll just be super lazy. But that's like, it's just not the case. And I'm glad, well, one, I like can't sleep in. And two, I feel like that would just throw me off so much. So I've kept my morning routine, and that was kind of the point of this video, is just keeping a morning routine even though I'm unemployed and I don't have like anything to get ready for in the morning. That sounds so depressing, but it's true. So yeah, I just want to make this, let everybody know what's up, what's going on, and also let everybody else who's in the same shoes that yeah, you are not alone. We're all in this together. We're all unemployed millennials. But yeah, I think I am going to go to the gym and just keep on going about my day, stay busy, find stuff to do, make more videos, shoot more content. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. That is where I am the most active, is Instagram. So definitely follow me on there. Also, I am going to be uploading 2 times a week now that I have so much time on my hands. I really have no excuse not to upload twice a week. So make sure you are subscribed, click that bell button to turn on your notifications, and also comment down below what content you want to see from me, because I'm going to be pumping out a lot more than usual. So yeah. Okay, I love you guys so much. Thank you for always supporting me, even though I am just like a roller coaster with my YouTube channel. But thank you guys for always watching and staying subscribed. All right, I love you. Bye, guys.